Today we are going to show you how to add soft phones as extensions to your newly built PBX. You can integrate soft phones from many of the suppliers like Swiper, Counterpath, Grandstream and etc. Now I'm going to connect Swiper soft phone with PBX. You can go to the Swiper download page and download the installation file. Next step is you need to add extensions to the PBX. To add these extensions, go to Application menu and select Extensions. I am going to add 100 and 102 numbers as extensions. Now add as PJZip extension. We start to add 100 extension. Enter 100 to the user extension and you can give any name for the display name. When somebody call from 100 extension mention the caller phone will display the display name. And enter 100 to the outbound CID as well. You have to give a secret code for the extension as password for the soft phone. Also you have the ability to add a user in this time. You can change the advanced settings of the extensions, but I am using the default settings in this time. Now go to the Swiper soft phone and enter the correct values to connect PBX server. Now the phone is added to PBX and the connection is in the active status. Also, I am going to add my Android phone as extension to the server. Here I am using Grandstream Soft Phone for the Android platform. First we download and install the APK and let's open the soft phone application. Give the privileges that necessary to run the application. Now go to Settings and Account Settings. Now add a SIP account and enter the values which need to connect with server. If it is connect successfully, the status dot become green. We test these two extensions. First we make a call from Android phone to the PC soft phone. Yes, it is ringing. We can answer it or reject it from the PC. Now you can use this system as an intercom system, and even you can add any other hardware SIP phones like Cisco Grandstream and etc. This system is cost-effective and easy to install and use. We hope this video is useful for you to take the next step for your business. You can thumbs up and subscribe our channel to watch more videos like this, and it is really help us to develop native smart IT learning channel.